deeper, that's all. Just put your feet down a bit deeper. Just let me get a photo. Put your feet down deeper. Put them in further. Put them in further. Put them in further. Put them in further. Oh, just let me get a photo. Put them in deeper. Put it, no, they can't get to your feet, mate. Put them down. Put them in deeper. Put them in deep. Are they in? You're scaring the fish. Just relax. Let me get a photo. Let me get a photo. Don't take them out. Don't take them out because you're in now. You started. Don't take them out. Let me get a photo. That's it. Catch your breath. Are you right now? Is it good? Put them right in. They can't get to your feet.
He's on my foot.
Like, you get heaps in there like that. See? Are they on?
You cannot be videoing.
No, I'm not. I'm trying to get a photo. You keep moving them. Just let me get a photo and let me get a photo of your feet. Okay? You're moving around too much. I keep blurring. Let me try and get a photo of your feet. Let me get a photo. Okay, I've got one photo of your feet. Let me get a photo of you. Ready? You're right, so you're doing it. You've done it. You've done it. You've done it.
You're videoing me.
I'm not videoing you. I'm just trying to get a photo. I'll get a photo of my feet. See, hundreds of fish. Liana's feet. We've got 5 fish. And then like Liana's. You gotta stop moving your feet because they jump off when you move your feet. Ready? Just keep still. Keep still.
He's on my face.
There, that's good. You got heaps on there now. That's good. You keep moving your feet. It's harder when they get on and off and on and off. That's it. So there's none on your feet. You're scaring me. You're freaking me out, mate. That's it.
I gotta stop.
You can stop. You can stop whenever you want. You've done it. You can stop whenever you want.
I gotta stop, I think.
Yeah, stop whenever you want.
It's my breath.
You right? How many have you got on? You've got a few. Let me take a photo. That's the first time you've had some on your feet. You keep moving them, they keep taking off. See, you're doing it, mate. You said you couldn't do it and you've done it.